Good morning, everyone. Today is checkout time. Ay, ready na yung lahat ng luggages natin. Bye, accommodation. It has been good. Yeah. We are gonna go, guys, kasi maglalakad lang tayo papunta sa bus station. Going to Hanoi. Nandito na tayo sa Hanoi. Oh my gosh. It was a long drive. 6 hours drive. And we're here. Ang ganda, oh. Look! Egg coffee, coconut coffee, and juices. Ah, nice. This is our view. Kumakain na tayo, guys. What's the name of this restaurant? Hindi namin alam. Kain muna tayo ng fried tofu, guys, while waiting for the other orders. Tapos ako, I'm having the passion fruit drink. Michelle naman kalamansi. Let's eat.
Lemongrass. Garlic. Nabuhok-buhok.
Stewed pork with eggs, guys. Kumain lang kami kasi yung inaantay talaga namin yung isda. Hindi pa. 8 minutes pa daw. Kanino pa kami nag-aantay. So, kain na tayo kasi gutom na. Yeah, all good. Nandito na tayo sa accommodation, guys. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Nasa central lang talaga to siya. And then, mura pa.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under.
Good evening, everyone. I just woke up. Tayo ng tubig. Labas tayo, guys. Let's explore Hanoi. Tayo, lasa lang tubig din. Let us explore Hanoi, guys. Ay, nako. For some reason, no, sobrang pagod ko today. Tulog ako all throughout sa biyahe. Tapos natulog na naman. Kagigising ko lang. I'm fighting the infection. Si Michelle may sakit. I knew it. Let's go.
One avocado young coconut last side and one honey coffee. Yes.
Cute ng lalagyan. Ang ingay ni Kuya. Coffee for Michelle. dami pala ditong rats. Kahit saan nan sila pag naglalakad ka dito, surrounding the lake. Uy, hawa, uy, di ka mahadlok? Di siya mahadlok. Ay, another one.
Dako-dako man nila ini, no? Dako-dako nila eh.
Daming tao dito, guys. Pag naglalakad ka, ang dami mong kasabay. May paano dito?
Oh.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Girl.
Yeah. Sausage and coconut.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do.
Hi, girl! Guys, andito na tayo sa accommodation. Yeah, tapos na kami mag-explore. And bumili tayo ng boba tea. This is kiwi. Kiwi tea. Yan, to help me move my bowels. It's not yuck, girl. That's human nature. Anyway, nabudol na naman tayo doon sa Uniqlo, guys. Bumili tayo ng mga heat-tech na long sleeves. So, I have the white one and I have this, parang nudish gray color. I'm thinking na pang-work ba? Especially on a night shift. Pang-inner siya ng uniform. We went to Miniso. Ito yung nabili ko. Ayan, sponge for my face powder. Tapos, this one din. Kasi ang cute. Ayan, retractable siya. Ang ganda, diba? For my, kilay. Shave natin yung ating kilay. And then, ito naman is kay Michelle. Ay, you bought two, Day. Socks for Inday Michelle. And that's pretty much it. Ang ating nabudol today. So, nakita niyo naman ang mangga, guys. Sarap ng mangga. As in, tapos may salt pa yung mangga. Hala, day na. Tuwad. Hala. Ayan. That's the mangga. Tapos, bumili ako ng pomelo. Ah! Ayan. Sa mga taga-Vietnam dyan, this one is 50. Tama ba yan? Or tourist price yun? Not sure. Pero ang sarap kasi tingnan. Sana masarap talaga matamis. Let's eat! Lami mo ang paan, baba?
Right.
Punta tayo bukas sa Halong Bay Cruise. Halong Bay Cruise tayo. Michelle's not feeling well. So baka magkasakit na din tayo in a few days.
You don't think so.
Uy, feeling ko talaga na my body is fighting para hindi siya magkasakit. Kaya I'm super tired today. Wala naman akong ginawa. Tulog na talaga ako ng tulog.
You're pregnant, moms.
Hopefully I am, Charis.
Pregnant with tae. You said you're bloated.
Yeah.
Sarap na mangga.
Masa Manila? Dahil feeling ako sugar ni.
Salt, sugar, and chili, I think.
Sarap na mangga. Nung hindi yung labas, yung ingay. Mas okay na ngayon kasi music lang narinig. Kanina talagang ingay ni Kuya.
Parang loto. Bingo, bingo.
Ay, bingo.
Parang bingo. Pero nice ang location din, no?
Okay na okay yung location. Pagbaba mo, may milk tea. May
massage, facial.
may pagkain din. Ang restaurant. Compared to our other accommodations, mura lang talaga to. No?
It's okay. Ano kumakain na pait?
Hi guys! Insert ko lang itong video na to for everyone who's asking if ever uuwi ba ako sa Pilipinas or uuwi ba kami ni ate sa Pilipinas this Christmas. Unfortunately, hindi muna guys kasi umuwi na kasi kami nung July this year. And since sobrang liit pa ni Indy and hindi pa siya fully vaccinated, na safe enough for her to go to the Philippines. So, hindi muna kami uuwi. Kasi usually, sumasama talaga ako kay ate pag umuwi sa Pilipinas. Kasi mas masaya, tapos kompleto. So, this year, hindi nga as much as gusto kong umuwi. Pero, hindi muna guys. Trabaho muna kasi we're currently on our new contract right now. So, I'm currently on my new contract right now. So, trabaho ako sa Christmas at saka New Year. Every year, umuwi talaga kami sa Pilipinas for Christmas and New Year. Pero yun nga, I'm pretty sure medyo malulungkot tayo nito. Pero I'm gonna be working on those days. So at least na lang, yung ating focus is work. And not just think about, you know, the spirit of Christmas and New Year. So ayun, just wanna let you know na hindi po kami makakauwi this year. And next year, fingers crossed, sana. Kasi we'll never know kasi depende talaga sa sitwasyon. Pero the main goal is to always come home to the Philippines if kaya talaga. Kasi nakakamiss naman talaga ang Pilipinas. I know marami sa inyo na used to na umuuwi kami sa Pilipinas and maybe others are wondering na asan na yung Pilipinas vlog. Pero yun. Pasensya na kayo. Kita-kits na lang tayo. Hopefully nga next year. Hopefully. So ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching guys and hope to see you guys on my next video.